What is good? What up, Meta Chasers? You see what's on the screen, you know what's about to go down. Chainlink, we're about to do this video is going to be a in-depth chart analysis, daily price prediction for, the Oracle God Chainlink. And we're gonna dive into why, at least why I see why the price action matches this 2.56% decrease in price. You know how you could have caught it if you're a trader, how you could have ride that wave to the downside, what signs kind of pointed to it. And also I'm gonna give a insight on where price can possibly go next, right? So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. But first, if you're new to the channel, my name is Theo, and on this channel we do everything crypto. I'm talking crypto chart analysis, as you can see from this video, metaverse money making plays, passive income plays in the DeFi space, and NFTs too. So if you're about everything crypto, come join the team, become a meta chaser, and hit the subscribe button. Welcome to the family, welcome to the gang. Enough shilling, let's get into the video. So operate on the charts, we go on the daily, okay? I'm sorry if my charts are messy for you guys. I go over Chainlink every day, and also do a weekly analysis. You can check that out in the description. You can see what we're saying about that. So I actually use my charts, So daily, what's going on, right? Today's daily candle right now is pretty bearish. It is pretty bearish, right? After yesterday being so strongly bullish, right? What's happening, right? First, if you didn't see my weekly video, let me just do a quick overview of weekly candle last week, right? So yeah, as you can see straight off the bat, you see how bearish last week's candle was, okay? So what I said in my weekly video was seeing this bearish candle is not far-fetched to see some sort of pullback and get that wick, which as you can see last week we got a wick as well before it pushed to the downside. And in my eyes, right, since I believe that the current direction on Chainlink it's in a downtrend, and the high time frames is in a downtrend, it's bearish, right? So in my eyes, seeing that, knowing that this candle closed out a wick, it was to me evident or kind of obvious. It just showed a high probability that we could get a retracement, and we did. So it's in my opinion that this is the retracement, and we could have possibly reached the all-time high for this week, right? Create a topic, and we could possibly be starting our descent back down, okay? And the lower time frames kind of suggest this as well, right? So, but first I need to say that today's daily candle, it has a lot of time left in it. It's 7 hours, at least 7 hours left. A lot can occur, okay? So it has to at least close like this or similar, better or slightly worse, okay? So drop on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually analyze since we have closed data, which means printed information. Again, what I see of the 4-hour is price has successfully transitioned to a downtrend, back to a downtrend from the counter trend that it was in, And why I say that is because structure was broken, lower low was created, and it seems as if price is basically put in a lower high, firms the start of a new downtrend, okay? But what I would say is eerie to me, and just this area right here, right? Why? Just because it's support. Okay, so price here's what can happen now since we are in a downtrend. Price cannot come here, complete this retest. As you can see, it kind of has entered a very bearish entry signal to the downside with this engulfing candle, and price can either come down, retest support here, come back up, continue down, right? Or price can pull back a bit, double test, retest our resistance, probably can push a bit higher because we know these charts love to print head and shoulders, okay? Or for the bullish side, price can find support and go up. That can still occur, but it's just that since prices seem to have found resistance and confirmed the lower high, it is a high, and prices had that extremely bearish close last week, which means there's some strong bearish pressure on in Chainlink's market, right? So with those information known, right, it tells me that statistically it is a higher probability that price will turn over and at least test this low and be bearish, because we are in a bearish sentiment. There's a bearish sentiment in the market. So the bearish sentiment that's in the market, along with the technical analysis kind of proven or doing a bearish move, that tells me that what gives me kind of push the odds in the favor of a bearish move occurring. But we're always prepared and we're always aware that what a bullish move would look like is a break below, probably doing something like that. Those are bullish characteristics. We follow what the market is telling us. Don't be a sheep. So in the 1 hour though, what's happening on the 1 hour? 1 hour, this is where you're starting to look into, like, prepare to attack. Get ready if you want to enter, right? What I'm seeing on the 1 hour is price seems to find a bit of support right now at the level it's at. So what can occur is price could probably come back to a little retracement, wait for it to find resistance and an entry signal to the downside and take it, right? But if you can take that, I would pay attention to this area right here. Even though it is the 1 hour, it is support, right? You may find that price have a little turbulence there before continuing down, or it could just die, okay? But be aware, be cautious that yesterday's daily candle was pretty bullish. So there are bulls lurking. You know what I'm saying? They're not far away. But yeah, it's more than likely will turn over, at least come to here. Maybe $16 $16 is a solid target, to be fair. Right? TP1 $16, TP2 about $15.50, TP3 $14. Right? So yeah, that's what I see for Chainlink. If you would say you got value from this video, if I open your eyes to something, maybe you like the way I traded, well, at least broke down the chart analysis, hit the like button at least, you know what I'm saying? It really helps the channel, and it's free. So see you guys tomorrow.